Yo, what's up everyone, it's your boy here, from Tech On. So on this video guys, I got for you a smartwatch. So this is the Android Wear version 2 of Moto 360. Since we saw version 1 of Moto 360, how it was. So let us see a little bit of version 1, Moto 360, and you let me know your thoughts.
Hey, what is up guys, I'm KBHD here, and what you're looking at is one of the most highly anticipated devices of 2014. This smartwatch is the Moto 360. Now, there are a lot of varying opinions on smartwatches in general as a category, but this 360 is one of the most important ones, and it starts right off with the name, Moto 360. It's a circular shell, 360 degrees all around. Well, not quite 360. There's actually a small bezel at the bottom that just cuts off a bit of the display. But other than that, it's essentially a circle. Now, some people hate this little bar at the bottom. They say it's distracting and it's a design flaw and even a deal breaker. But I found that a lot of people saying this haven't actually used the watch past just looking at it for a little bit. And I found that your eye really starts ignoring it when you get to use the watch for a bit, and I really hardly notice it anymore, even though obviously it's still there. So for the record, this little bar is kind of necessary.
Yo, what's up everyone, I'm back again. So as you can see guys, you saw the video of the first gen of Moto 360. Now this is the second version of Moto 360, as you can see here. So with the second Moto 360 gen version, what does it have? It has a lot of stuff. The newer stuff compared to the older version of Moto 360, it's updates. I can say it's updates. Why? I'm not talking about the hardware first, I'm talking about the software inside it. So the second generation of Moto 360 has an Android Wear of 2.0. So if you don't know about Android Wear 2.0, I'll leave a link down below of the Android Wear 2.0.
In terms of usage, I can complain with the Moto 360 second gen. I find it's very great in terms of usage and it's flawless. Actually, I kind of like this kind of stuff here. Compared to my LG watch, it's kind of different. Very different, total different. So I find that Moto 360 second gen, it's very great. So it's LCD, it's Corning Gorilla Glass, which is very great. We have a button here compared to the old Moto 360. This is the button. It was firstly here, somewhere here. Now it's shifted up here. So it's a great stuff. So the Moto 360 works with its best designs and functionality. So this is the Moto 360.
Settings on the Moto 360 second gen. So this is the same layout which we had back in the days, just the same. So nothing changed here so far. So this is the kind of layout. I find it's very great. Still it's great. So it compared to the Android 2.0. They say that Android 2.0 will be having a different type of layout. The skin will be changing, so it will be dark. It's not light anymore. It won't be light, it will be dark. So this is kind of great. But let us go to the settings side. So the settings side has the same kind of stuff. Nothing changed here. There is Wi-Fi, there is Bluetooth. So right now we can even connect it to the Wi-Fi, which is great. So gestures, font size, change watch faces. You can change watch faces and customize many watch faces as you want. I find it's very great. So it's very great. So this is how the Moto 360 goes. So let us go to the setting side of where is the setting side? So here is the setting side. Let us go again to the setting side. You can even use the developers option. So if you don't know how to allow developers option on the Moto 360 or on your Android Wear, you can tap on the about. You can go down here to the build number, find something called build number. So let us find build number. Where's the build number? Here it is. So just tap on the build number. It will just say, since I already tapped it, so I'm now a developer, so I'll just slide this way, then I'll go to the developers option. So with the developers option, you can trigger a lot of stuff. The first stuff you can trigger is point. So if you want to see your gesture or you want to see your point, you can just say show touches, which is great. As you can see here, there's a gesture whereby it's a white gesture. Let me do it fast. So as you can see, that's white gesture. You can allow it so as you can just groove it everywhere you want to go. So this is the Moto 360 settings. So in a lot of kind of stuff, features and many more, you can just explore it whenever you just want to purchase it. So I'll leave a link down below for purchasing the Moto 360 second. About the watch of the Moto 360 second generation. So let me know in the comments down below what's your thoughts about the Moto 360 second gen, and don't forget to like the video and share the video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel because it helps me a lot on making videos like this and share with you guys. So thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.